Hello, you guys, and I finally found all the birds in the Paradise Party. I already got them all because that's where you see that one gift. I'm just going to show you where all the birds are. Sorry, I was doing a trade, so people really like my stuff. I was saying that there was a lot of stuff. Now I have a completely different stuff. I have snow patches that can make your house look a little snowy. I have a bunny hat. I have an ice chair, I have a recyclable, I have a flag. Not all that great. I'll recycle it if no one's going to buy it. Forget it. And if you guys have something good, I'll probably trade you a lot of stuff in that trade list. I have a lot of other stuff. We're just waiting for the first bird. He appears on this branch right here. It's, this bird right here. I'm just going to wait for it, so. So here's what I'm gonna say it and just people. Here it is. So this bird right here. Next bird we're gonna find is this bird. I believe this bird right here, as well as this bird. So this first bird, he's always here. He never goes away. He's eating on this little berry bush. Next bird, he comes dancing out of here. Kind of like dancing. Just gonna wait a little bit for it, so. Well, it appears right here, comes dancing. It's this bird right here. He's always here. Let's hide. No, he's not coming. So we'll come back to that just to show you. He does come out, you guys. I swear. Next bird. There's a new party. Yeah, I'm still. What? I'm still in this party. How's that possible? Well, anyway, I'm still in the Paradise Party. It's been going on after this recording. So, oh, he comes over here. Duh, wrong bird, wrong tree. That bird's in there. He's still not here. Okay. Paso was there when I was gone. The next bird, oh, here he is. He's right here. He appears over there. It's a rifle bird. It's the Paradise rifle bird. Next bird we're finding is this one in the stick, the 12th bird of Paradise. He appears on the stick and kind of like acrobating on it, like leaning back on the stick. You can tell because he's on the stick. He's doing that on the stick and then comes back down. While we're waiting for that, yeah, there's this bird right here. He's always there, I'm pretty sure. The next bird, he comes and flies down and sits in the cart. Yep, right here. That's the bird. He comes and sits on the cart. The next one appears on this tree. Oh, here it is. That bird just flew away. There's also another one around here. It's one of the great birds of paradise. I think the one on the right. It's this one. He appears. He sits in the tree. He's hiding and then he comes out. So we're just gonna wait a little bit for it. If it doesn't come out. So I'm just gonna wait for it. I'll be really quiet. Still not there. Well, he appears here anyway. And there's another one that appears up here on the top. Just like the other bird does. There's that red bird again. He's still not here. Well, anyway, I think he's down here then. Well, anyway, he's there. So, the next bird I'm going to show you guys is this bird right here, and this bird. The Victoria rifle bird appears, I believe he appears coming up from this tree right here. I have to wait for it. Where my mouse is, he'll come crawling out, sit there for a little bit, and then come back in. So, we're just waiting for it. It's gonna take forever. That's not the bird. Oh, there it is! Right here. So that's one of the rifle birds you'll get. The next one you have to go all the way across the lake. He is no, I'm going the wrong way. I'm going where the dancing bird is. I have to go up the lake. Yep, I knew. So he'll appear this tree right here. He'll come crawling out like the other bird. We just have to wait for it. Yep, I still don't see it. Well, anyway, it appears right here. We're going to go back to that bird on the stick. A lot of these birds don't show up often. So I think it showed you all the birds, where the areas are. Let's see what the gift is. a paradise stone. That looks really cool. Now I'm going to go to my den and I'm going to place it for you guys to show you what the paradise stone would look like. So here's the paradise throne. I don't think it's kind of creeping me out. Like, I don't really know how they got this idea. But it looks cool when I sit on it. I'm pretty sure I'm going to put this throne for trade. If any of you guys really, really wanted this, it'll be on my trade. So there you guys have it. I have a new chair in my house and a bookshelf. Gotta tell you, I remodeled it a little bit. Ooh, it's cold. I love it because I'm a penguin. So thank you guys for watching this video. The next one I will be doing, I'm pretty sure about it, I'll be doing... By the way, someone already bought my cactus chair, my lemonade stand, and my tree house. So, good luck, you guys. No one can buy that because I'm keeping that. And the next one we're doing is Kinda Go, so watch out for that one, and Mount Sugar. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.